Hi everyone. I got this board books from Amazon, which is my first library from Wonder House. It has 10 board books. So the books are related to ABC, numbers, shapes, colors, wild animals, farm animals and pets, birds, fruits, vegetables, and transport. So let me unwrap it and show. I thought of sharing with everyone and giving a review on this. So, so as I said, it is having 10 books, and all the 10 books are board books. So, if let me take this ABC book, it is so they have clearly given the alphabet and a picture related to it. So each side of the board is clearly having a picture. Like see, one page is having C for cat, D for dog. So it's like for all the 26 alphabets, colorful pictures are given. And this is for ABC book. Let me go to the next book. And it is my first book of numbers. Even this is very colorful. And here they have given numbers from 1 till 20. So they have given numbers from 1 to 20, and the last page they have given something like let's review. It's actually colorful, and it will definitely attract all the kids, and it's good. Definitely my little one who is of 6 months will enjoy seeing all the pictures. And this book is related to shapes. My first book of shapes, it is mentioned here. So as you can see, they have given the shape and an example related to the shape, like circle. So bangle is in circle shape. They have given something like this, square, and all the shapes they have mentioned here, like cone. And at the last they have given like let's review, so that it's easy to recollect what are the shapes they have learned from this book. Yeah, so let me go to the next book. This book is related to colors. Okay, so here they have mentioned as red, and fruits related to red is given. Similar way for blue, they have mentioned objects that are related to blue. So it goes like this for all the colors, and it's very colorful actually. It's pretty. My first book of wild animals. Here they have here they have mentioned about the wild animals like tiger, lion. One good advantage is even if this gets wet, we can easily wipe it off. So it's very nice. This board book is very nice. Giraffe, zebra, kangaroo. You can teach your little ones by showing like flashcards also, like see what is this, hippopotamus. You show it 3 or 5 times, it gets nicely into their memory. Yeah, this can work as flashcards as well. And this book is related to my first book of farm animals and pets. Yeah, pet animals. Here they have given farm animals like yak, emu, parrot, everything. See how beautifully they have given this book. Actually my daughter is going to love this. Let me see. And this is related to my first book of birds, duck, goose. So all the birds they have given here, like hummingbird, robin. It's very nice. Let me go to the next one. This book is related to fruits. See how nicely they have given fruit, and it's not clumsy. It's like in each board they have mentioned one picture which is very clear, and if you're going to explain them this is coconut, definitely they are going to remember it. It's very nice. Yeah. The next book is on my first book of vegetables. So they have started with cauliflower. They have mentioned almost all the vegetables that we use at our home, like for daily use. Yeah, it's nice. Onion, turnip, potato. It's good. Radish, everything. Yeah, this book is related to vegetables. And the last book is My first book of transport. Here they have mentioned all the pictures related to transport. See, tractor, bus. How nicely they have given this. Yes, it's good. uh, I like this product very much. I have to show all these books to my daughter to see whether she is also liking it. I give a comment on this whether she liked it or not. If you guys want to buy this book, I'll give the link in the description. You can use that link and buy it.